Hello students, in my previous video I will describe about heat, temperature and different factors on which heat and temperature of a body depends. Today in this video we discuss about anomalous properties of water. We all know that when we give heat energy to the object, then its temperature increases, its volume increases, its physical change may take place, chemical change may take place. These all are called effects of heat. But in case of water, we found that such type of regular increase in volume due to heat energy is not found. That strange behavior of water due to effect of heat energy is called anomalous expansion of water. And today we discuss about that anomalous expansion of water, why it is caused, and what are the different consequences of or advantage of anomalous expansion of water. At first we describe about anomalous expansion of water. Generally, volume of object increases on increasing temperature. But in case of water, it does not take place in a regular way. In certain range of temperature, that behave strangely. And here we write, when water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, its volume decreases, and above 4 degrees Celsius only its volume increases, which is called anomalous expansion of water. Generally, it is found that in a regular way, when volume of object, when temperature of object increases from 0 to 1, 1 to 4, and by increasing temperature, volume of substance also increases. But it does not happen in water. When we heat water from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, instead increasing volume, its volume decreases, and after 4 degrees Celsius, when we give heat or increase more temperature, then only its volume increases. Due to that strange behavior or strange expansion of water is known as anomalous expansion. And we can define this term as a water has minimum volume and maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius, which is called anomalous expansion of water. and we can explain this expansion from graph as a. Here we consider density and temperature. Density increases, air temperature increases its origin. And we consider that temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, it has maximum density. At 4 degrees Celsius, we found that maximum density. When we heat or cool from 4 degrees Celsius, in both conditions, its, listen here, density increases. That is, maximum remains at 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, its density is 1 gram per cc or 1000 kilogram per cc. At which temperature? At 4 degrees Celsius only. And when we heat or cool at 4 degrees Celsius, in both conditions, its density decreases. Another diagram we can explain anomalous expansion in terms of volume and temperature. Listen. At 4 degrees Celsius, here already given that minimum volume. Listen, here we write, suppose it is minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. Yeah. When water is heated and cool, in both conditions, volume get increases here. At 4 degrees Celsius, its volume is certain, suppose V1. When we cool or heat the water at 4 degrees Celsius, in both conditions, listen here, in both conditions, its volume increases. Its volume increases. And when we, listen here, heat or cool at 4 degrees Celsius, then its density decreases, which is called maximum density and minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. And it is diagrammatic explanation, and also can be asked that explanation may ask in examination in the form of question as for example, any beaker contains completely filled liquid such that single drop of water or single drop of more liquid can't be added. Suppose any beaker contains completely filled liquid. Even when we add a single drop, then it gets spoiled. And here liquid is found there. On heating or cooling, liquid spoil over. Listen. Name the liquid and temperature at which it is kept. In this question we found that here that beaker completely filled by liquid, even on heating and cooling, it spoiled means what? Volume increases. That is, in volume increases. And here at which temperature, therefore on heating and cooling, on both condition temperature increment takes place in water, and therefore the substance is water. At which temperature? The 4 degrees Celsius, due to anomalous expansion. And same type of question may ask related to anomalous expansion. And here we discuss about what are the application of anomalous expansion and for which purpose it is used in our daily life or helpful in our daily life. And here we write consequences of anomalous expansion of water. And what are these here consequences or advantage? At first, listen here. Water freezes from top, whereas ghee from bottom. How we can explain it? So when water freezes, then its density decreases. Density decreases and volume increases. On cooling water, its volume increases, density decreases. As a result, it float on water. In case of ghee, on freezing, its density increases, volume decreases, and it gets sink. Other aquatic animals like fish can survive. Even pond water freezes in lakes in winter season. It is also due to anomalous expansion. But how it occurs? The listen here. Suppose we consider that it is pond. In winter season, atmospheric temperature decrease up to here given that freezing point of water. Here it is water is present in pond. And due to atmospheric temperature causes, fall in atmospheric temperature causes water or the layer of water on upper surface of a pond that get freezed here. And when it freezes, then float on the surface. It floats on the surface of water. And we know that it is bad conductor. Bad conductor, also low density causes it cover the surface of pond, and bad conductor causes gradually inside the pond heat remains stored, temperature gradually increases 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius, like that. At a depth there becomes or found that suitable temperature for survival of aquatic animals like fish, and it is found that it is also known as consequences or advantage of that anomalous expansion. Anomalous expansion makes pond water suitable for living organism inside the water inside the pond in winter season. If it while freezing, if its density suppose with that increase, then it gets sink and gradually all pond water get freezed and aquatic animal can't survive. But it does not happen. When we go inside the depth of swimming pool, pond, then temperature gradually increases. Third advantage is here given that ice floats on the surface of water. It is also due to when water freezes, change into ice, its density decrease and float on the water surface. Other we can write water pipe burst in cold region. In winter season. It is also due to in winter season, in cold region, water get freezes inside the water pipe. And we know that when water freezes, its volume increases, density decreases and water pipe get cracks. And due to that reason, in cold drinks, a small fraction of a bottle remains empty to expand its volume while freezing. And more term related to anomalous expansion, specific heat capacity, heat equation and calorimetry we discuss in next video. Thank you.